Now, in case of market price और कोटेड प्राइस मेथड MPM और QPM कैसे करेंगे? पहली बात तो क्लियर है कि कोटेड प्राइस क्यों यूज़ करना है और कब यूज़ करना है। कोटेड प्राइस यूज़ करना है फॉर द वैल्यूएशन ऑफ अ कंपनी विच इज़ listed on a stock exchange. And why do we have to use the quoted price for the valuation of a company which is listed on a stock exchange? And that is because Ind AS 113 on fair value measurement prescribe it. And it says that in case of a company which is listed on a stock exchange, we have to use level 1 input, and that is the quoted price for the valuation of this company. Now, the next point is most objective way to determine companies market और equity value. तो आप समझ सकते हैं कि market price जो है कंपनी के शेयर की, why that is supposed to be the most objective way of valuation, because ये जो market price है ना, ये market price is time tested, यानी कि ये market price जो आप पिकअप कर रहे हो from the portal of NSE और BSE is coming from where? It is coming from a transaction in the purchase or sale of the share of those company which has already taken place. So ये सबसे ज़्यादा most objective method है for the valuation of a company, for the reason because the price that you are picking up, it is the share of that company is already being traded at that price. Equity value as per market price method or quoted price method is going to be equity value of the company based on the MPM, that is market price method, or QPM which is quoted price method. Please remember you call it MPM or you call it QPM, दोनों का मतलब एक ही है. और वो कितना होगा? equity share price of the company, आज की तारीख में वो कंपनी की जो प्राइस है मार्केट में, वो शेयर की जो प्राइस है into number of outstanding shares, so that becomes the equity value of that company on that day. Please remember applicability of control premium may need to be assessed. तो ये आपको वैल्यूएशन मिल जाएगा बेस्ड ऑन दी कोटेड प्राइस, लेकिन डिपेंडिंग ऑन जो ट्रांजैक्शन है उसमें कंट्रोल इन्वॉल्व है कि कंट्रोल इन्वॉल्व नहीं है. तो डिपेंडिंग ऑन अगर कंट्रोल इन्वॉल्व है तो कंट्रोल प्रीमियम विल नीड टू बी बिल्ट इनटू दी वैल्यूएशन, और कंट्रोल इन्वॉल्व नहीं है तो फिर इसकी अप्लाई करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. So that's your quoted market or quoted price method, MPM or QPM.